In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change your profile picture on Instagram. If you want to change your profile picture on Instagram, all you need to do is to go to your Instagram app. Once you're in your Instagram app, make sure you are logged in. For example, I'm currently in my Instagram. If you are logged in into your Instagram, you go to your Instagram profile by clicking on your profile picture at the right hand corner, the one down. You click on it. As you can see, I'm currently in my profile, so for me to change my profile picture, all I need to do is to click on the edit profile. You'll see where it's written change profile picture. You click on it. You can change new profile photo, you can import profile photo from Facebook, and you can use avatar, or you can remove profile photo completely. So in order to change your profile photo, you click on new profile photo. Here you select the new profile photo you want to use. Once you select, you click on the arrow here, the arrow at the top right, to save the profile photo. Then if you want to import from Facebook, once you click on change profile photo, you click on import from Facebook. You'll be redirected to Facebook to import a profile photo. But if you don't want to use, you can use avatar, or you can remove your profile photo completely. So guys, that is it on how to change profile photo on Instagram. I believe the tutorial is helpful. If it is, kindly give me a thumbs up by liking the video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you guys in my next video.